Hello everyone. You can always find my latest libraries on my GitHub. You can install this package from the EE repository or the STM32 pack. Don't forget to press the Start button on both repositories. If you need the old version, you can download it from here. To install the pack, copy this link and open CubeMX. Press Install Remove button. Press From URL and then New. Paste the link and click Check and OK. As you can see, the library is added here. Now generate a new project or open your previous project. Select the microcontroller or board. Go to Software Packs and press on Select Components to enable the EE packet. Press OK. Open the Middleware tab and enable the EE driver. That's it. Now set the name and select the compiler and generate the project. As you can see, the library has been added to the project. Open main.c to add a simple code. Write include ee.h. You can store any type of variable. I prefer to create a struct and use it to store all data. In the main function, as a first step, we should call the init function and utilize our defined struct with the library. Now, I want to write some data to the flash memory. After compiling and programming, the code runs once and writes the data to the flash memory. Now, I've disabled the writing function and added the read function. And go into debug mode to observe the variable. As you can see, the data is as we wrote before. In conclusion, the library works well. Now, I want to inspect the flash memory to locate where the data is written. Open the Cube Programmer. Press Connect. When you change the size to a large number, the programmer automatically adjusts to the maximum size. Now, we should find it on the latest page. That's it, exactly at the start position of the latest page. If you use my library and find it helpful, please consider supporting me on social networks and don't forget to star my GitHub page. Thank you.